Hey everybody, my name is Mabel Ruiz and I am one of the peer mentors from Pathways to Possible. And today I wanted to give you a quick guide to CareerLink Pathways. So the objective of this video is to show you how to access CareerLink Pathways in order to add your requirements that go towards your scholarships or stipends. The first step is to go into the MSU Denver Student Hub page. You can also find this from the main MSU Denver page if you click on the red icon IMA and click on Current Student. The second step is to scroll down to Careers and Jobs and click on the Career Link icon. Once you are on the Career Link website, your page should look something like this. Then, on the top right corner, you will click on the icon Resources. Once you click on Resources, you will then click the option that says Pathways. You will then see an option that says Scholar Program Requirements. Make sure you click on the one for the current semester. In this example, we will be completing a survey for an individual meeting with the scholarship program coach. Make sure you click on Complete a Survey link. You will then fill out the survey with your 900 number, whom you met with, answer a few questions, and then a quick summary of what happened in the meeting. Once you are done, make sure you click Submit. Not only do you have to submit surveys for meeting with the scholarship program coach, but you will also have to fill surveys out for events required by your program. There will be a list of websites where you can find different events to attend to fulfill the requirement. In this example, we see that there are certain websites under the campus event, resource, career, and volunteer activities. We see that there is a website for the Classroom to Career Hub, the Classroom to Career main webpage, career readiness and planning. Under campus resource event or activity, we see that we have the tutoring center, the writing center, online resources, access center, counseling center, center for equity and student achievement, center for multicultural excellence and inclusion, and so on. Thank you for watching and I hope this helps.